In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Rode PodMic to Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Mac device or Mac model you have, you can easily connect a Rode PodMic. This is going to depend primarily on one factor, which model of the PodMic you have. So nowadays, the most modern version includes a USB-C port directly on the PodMic. This is going to be by far the most convenient option because it allows you to establish the connection using a USB cable. If you have the older version which only features XLR, then this is going to require a little bit more setup. I'm going to talk about the USB version first and then what to do if you have the XLR only one. So if you look at the back of your PodMic and you notice that it has a USB port like this, then you can simply establish a connection by plugging one end of a USB-C cable into the PodMic and the other one goes into your MacBook. It doesn't matter which Mac device you have as long as it has a USB port. You can also use a USB-C to USB-A cable if you prefer. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be USB-C necessarily, even though of course it is the most modern part available. So just find a way to establish a connection using a USB cable, either USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to USB-A. Now, if your PodMic is the older model that only has an XLR port like this, so no USB, then you will need to use an XLR cable and an audio interface. So you plug one end of the XLR cable into the PodMic and the other one goes into an audio interface. Once you establish a connection between the microphone and the audio interface, use a USB cable to connect the interface to the Mac device. Once again, you plug one end of the USB cable into the interface, the other one goes into the MacBook, the Mac desktop, whatever you have, and you will be good to go. So it is a little bit more complicated because you need the interface, but besides that, the process is relatively the same. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.